What if I told you your breakfast is secretly stopping you from losing weight, and switching it with these 7 ultra-filling breakfasts under 300 calories can completely change your body in the next 30 days? Stay with me, because idea number 7 is the most surprising. Nobody expects it to work, but it does. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been struggling with morning hunger, sugar cravings, or slow weight loss, today's video is going to fix all of that. These 7 breakfast ideas are delicious, budget-friendly, and scientifically designed to help you burn fat, stay full, and boost energy, all under 300 calories. Let's dive in. Breakfast idea 1, high-protein Greek yogurt bowl, 250 to 280 calories. Want a breakfast that takes 60 seconds but keeps you full for 4 to 5 hours? This bowl is your new best friend. Ingredients: 1/2 cup low-fat Greek yogurt, 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 small banana, sliced cinnamon, plus a few drops of vanilla essence. Why it works for weight loss. Greek yogurt is packed with lean protein, which stabilizes blood sugar. Chia seeds create a gel-like fiber in your stomach that delays hunger. Cinnamon adds a natural sweetness and helps reduce cravings. Comment below, are you a yogurt person or not? Breakfast idea 2 to 2 egg veggie omelette wrap, 270 calories. This one feels like a cheat meal but isn't. Ingredients: 2 eggs, spinach, onion, tomato, 1 low-calorie tortilla, roti, black pepper plus salt. Why it works. You get a perfect balance of protein plus fiber plus low GI carbs. Eggs help build lean muscle and increase satiety. Veggies add volume without adding calories. This wrap keeps you full and prevents 11 AM junk cravings. Breakfast idea 3, apple cinnamon smoothie, 230 to 260 calories. This smoothie tastes like apple pie, but helps you burn fat. Ingredients: 1 apple, 1/2 cup milk or almond milk, 1 tablespoon oats, cinnamon, 2 to 3 ice cubes. Why it works. Apple provides pectin fiber that stabilizes hunger. Oats add slow digesting carbs that release energy gradually. Cinnamon supports metabolism and controls sugar spikes. Perfect for busy mornings. Smoothie or omelette, what's your go-to breakfast? Tell me in the comments. Breakfast idea 4, paneer protein sandwich, 280 calories. Yes, a sandwich can help you lose weight. Ingredients: 50 grams crumbled paneer, 2 slices whole wheat, multigrain bread, 1 teaspoon hung curd, black pepper plus herbs, cucumber plus tomato. Why it works. Paneer gives slow digesting protein, which keeps you full longer. Hung curd adds creaminess without high calories. Whole wheat bread gives complex carbs that don't spike insulin. This sandwich feels indulgent but fits perfectly in a weight loss plan. Breakfast idea 5, poha with green peas and lemon, 250 calories. A light yet satisfying Indian classic. Why it works. Poha is easy to digest, low in calories, and doesn't cause bloating. Peas add plant-based protein and fiber. Lemon boosts iron absorption and adds a refreshing kick. It's perfect if you want something savory, warm, and comforting. Breakfast idea 6, oats upma, 270 calories. A healthier twist on regular upma. Ingredients: rolled oats, curry leaves, mustard seeds, carrot, capsicum, lemon plus coriander. Why it works. Oats keep you full for hours because of their beta-glucan fiber. Vegetables add nutrients without calories. This upma is filling, satisfying, and digestion-friendly. Do you prefer sweet oats or savory oats? Comment yes for sweet, no for savory. Breakfast idea 7, dark chocolate overnight oats, 290 calories. Surprise, you can lose weight while eating chocolate in the morning. Ingredients: 1/4 cup oats, 1/2 cup milk, 1 teaspoon cocoa powder, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, 1 square dark chocolate, honey, optional. Why it works. Dark chocolate reduces stress and sugar cravings. Oats plus chia seeds create a filling, creamy texture that supports gut health. This breakfast is perfect for those who want something sweet but still want to stay under 300 calories. This is the one people least expect, but the one they stick to the most. Now remember, weight loss isn't about eating less, it's about eating smart. Each of these breakfasts helps you control hunger, improve metabolism, and boost energy without crossing 300 calories. You just need consistency. If you found even one breakfast idea you want to try tomorrow morning, then hit the like button, comment, BREAKFAST, if you want part 2, and subscribe because we're dropping fat loss food ideas every single week.